at camp, another little weekend getaway, and we're going to do some dry baking. I'm going to show you what I figured out here. This is a revised, I did one a couple of years ago, didn't come out too good. This one is going to come out good. I've already done it. So let me show you what you need. Very simple. You probably have most of the stuff anyway when you come out here. It takes 10 minutes for each muffin. So let me show you what we are going to have here. I got to flip this around. Okay, so obviously you need your can. I always mark the bottom too. Every time I use this to boil, I have a little pen and I always mark it so you know how many. Usually you can get about 45 boils out of one of these. In the smaller one you can get about 20 to 25 depending on if you bring it to a boil or a simmer. But anyway, for this little demonstration, any can will do with your burner. You're going to need your pot. This is the Tokes 750, I believe, or is this the 900? This is the oh, here it says right here, Tokes 750. Okay. Then you need a 1 cup rather for baking. You can get these at Home Goods, Bed Bath & Beyond, Walmart even, not Walmart, yeah, Walmart. It'll have the little handle on it. Make sure you get the aluminum. You don't want the stainless, it's too heavy. The aluminum, this thing weighs 1 ounce. With a pair of pliers, just keep rocking the handle back and forth. It pops right off. So this is all you want, and it fits beautiful right in your pot. Okay. Now you can't be cooking with metal to metal. It's not going to work. So what I've done is go to your hardware store, and this is one of those pipe clamps. But you want the you don't want the heavy stainless steel one. You want a light steel with the holes all the way around, because this will make it really light. Again, with pliers, the pot here where you throw the screwdriver on there that has the threads, with pliers, just hold that and keep bending it back and forth. It'll break right off. So this is what you're going to end up with, and you just want to make a little snail with it. You don't want it. Well, I guess this one would work, but you want the heat in the center to escape. So this would work, I guess, because it has little holes here on the side, and the heat can escape between the pot. Because this pot's going to sit on top, and this is going to be inside your other pot. So this is your little air spacer, but I'm going to go like this so that the air really gets out of there. Okay. So take that, throw it in the bottom. Then you're going to throw that in there, and that's what it's going to look like. Okay. But before we do that, we need to do our mix. So what you want to do is just go to any of your food, markets, Walmart, whatever, Publix, Stop and Shop, wherever you shop. And you can either get the one just add milk, which I don't, I just add water and it's fine. Or you get the ones, they also have them where you just add water. It is already powder milk mix already with it. So I like this here, chocolate on chocolate, and they don't have it with just add water. So this is the one I have, and you'll see it's going to come out. It'll come out fine. So you need a mix. Okay, you can get, what did we have the other day? 5 or 6 muffins out of one of these little packets. All right, and the size, and then what you want is a little paper muffin gizmos here, baskets. You can either get the foil ones or the paper ones. It really doesn't matter. The foil, I think, would be a little better. And then these just fit right inside, just like that. But before you put it in there, you're going to take some olive oil, and you're going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. Excuse me, no, the olive oil goes in here. You put a little bit of olive oil inside your paper basket here, okay? And that will keep the batter from sticking to the paper. Okay, so what else do you need to know? That's all you need, really. That's it. And then a spoon or something. Sometimes you can mix it in a Ziploc bag, which that's what I'm going to do. So let me prepare that, and I'll show you how we're coming along here. Okay, so we're mixing the batter. All I did is added water. Pretty thick. It's like a paste. All right, so that's ready to go. We have our little paper basket in there. I always carry olive oil because I put it in my meals. So we're going to put a lid, just a little bit at the bottom, and that will keep the batter from sticking to the paper there. Okay. I need to mix that a little more here. Let's see a little powder in there. All right, you're just gonna drop it in there about half. You can go 3/4, but I'm gonna just go half, so I can make. I have enough here to make 2 muffins. Okay. Maybe we'll just have it raw. All right. Now, we gotta light this thing. Where's my little lighter? There we go. The secret is you want it as low as you can go. Okay, that's good. Now you want to drop that in there. This is the tricky part because you want to get it in there nice and smooth. Okay, try to center it so that there's an even air gap around the 1 cup pan that you put in there. Put that on there like so. Here's my cover. Here we go. Okay, now we just leave this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Depends. If there's a little breeze, it's going to take a little longer, but we'll just let that cook on the lowest setting you can get on your stove. The stove I'm using is the little BRSs. You get them on Amazon. They're like $15, $18. This seems to work really, really well. My wife and I, we both have one. They weigh 0.08 of an ounce. They're the lightest burner that I can find on the market. You don't want the MSRs, the jet boils. Those freaking things are heavy. So this is all you need. BRS burners. All right, so I'll get back to you in about 15 minutes, and I'll show you how they came out. All right. Okay, smells good here. Smells like a bakery out here. All right, what you want to do, just grab a little twig and just poke it in there. If it comes up without any batter sticking to the stick, or if you have a toothpick, this is my toothpick, it's done. All right, as long as there's no batter sticking here, that means the center is done. So we're done. All right, now this is the tricky part, so you don't burn yourself. Yep, we got a few ashes here. All right, this is my little plate. just going to flip this over. Alright, so here we are. Our little batter is done here. Muffin's done. There it is. You can see it's not burnt. It's steaming. It is flaking. Thumbs up. That's how easy it is. You don't need milk. There's enough stuff in it. Just add water to it. But they, like I said, they do make a batter that you just add water. The powdered milk's already in it. I think it's the some other kind of muffin, Betty Crocker muffin or one of those. Okay. Now you can have your sweets and treats on a rainy day, or you get into camp early. Gives you something to do instead of sleeping.